In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Discord on web browser. If you want the full Discord experience without installing anything, the browser version is fast, simple, and works on all major browsers. You'll be chatting, browsing servers, and catching up on messages in just a moment. First, open your preferred web browser. Any modern option will do. In the address bar at the top, type discord.com/login. Take a quick look to make sure the address is correct and that you're on the official site. You should see the secure connection indicator in your browser, which helps confirm you're in the right place. Once the login page loads, you'll see the familiar Discord sign-in panel. Here, enter the email or phone number tied to your Discord account, along with your password. Then, select Login. If you're already signed in on that browser, you might be taken straight into Discord without needing to enter anything again, which simply means your session was saved. If you share a device, consider using a private window so your session doesn't stick around. And, as always, keep your login details safe and never share them. After you sign in, you'll be inside Discord right in the browser. The layout mirrors the desktop app. Servers run down the left, channels live in the middle column, and conversations and content appear on the right. It's the same familiar interface, just without a download. You can read and send messages, see who's online, and follow what's happening in your communities. The browser version is a great choice if you're on a computer where you can't install apps or if you simply prefer keeping things lightweight. If the page seems slow to load, just give it a moment. Browser apps sometimes take a few extra seconds to initialize, especially on the first visit. And if you ever land on the general homepage instead of the login screen, no worries. Look for the Login button near the top, and you'll be right back where you need to be. That's it. Open your browser, go to discord.com/login, and log in with your Discord account. From there, you're ready to use Discord without installing anything. It's quick, it's convenient, and it works anywhere you have a modern browser and an internet connection. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Discord on the web.